So we noticed a water spot in the sheetrock in our garage ceiling the other day. So I went ahead and cut open a hole, see if we could see what was going on. I don't know how to get this to focus. And notice this was the P-trap from our drain in the laundry room. So I went upstairs to look at the laundry room drain. So this is the drain in the laundry room, and we paid extra to have the builder put this drain in here. Seemed like a good idea since there's so much water being used in this room. And I've noticed that this is actually glued down to this vinyl flooring. There's no screws and no way to look at this, to look underneath this drain cover. So it looks like I'm going to have to cut this drain cover out of the vinyl flooring. So I wasn't very happy to notice this. This house was built in 2012, so obviously we're way past when we can have the builder look at warranty issue, but this did not seem like a great setup so far. So I went ahead and got some water to pour down this drain, and got myself a big helper here, just like you would normally think it should work. And we'll see how that looks downstairs. And as you can see by the dripping water off of my ladder and the splashes on the floor, that is coming directly from the floor drain in the laundry room. So obviously not a good installation. Wish I would have noticed that during my first year on the house. So we're going to be investigating how to try and fix this problem.